We concentrate our efforts there, but we're also doing everything we can to prevent the contagion in other residences as well.
As Quebec approaches the peak of COVID-19 cases, Premier François Legault continues to emphasize that protecting the province's senior population is their #1 priority. 99% of Quebecers who have died so far from the pandemic have been people 60 years and older. 90% of deaths are Quebecers 70 years of age and older. 41 more people have died in the province, bringing the total deaths in Quebec to 216. There are now 10,912 confirmed and presumed cases of coronavirus in Quebec and 679 people hospitalized, 196 of those in intensive care. Premier Legault says the numbers continue to be in line with their predictions.
In Montreal, you have more cases, but at the same time, we're closer to the peak. So you have to take that into consideration. There's no exact numbers, but you can have good forecasts in the documents that have been tabled.
The vast majority of those deaths have occurred in 6 of the province's government-run seniors' residences, which have experienced major outbreaks in the past few weeks. St. Dorothy in Laval, Notre-Dame de la Merci in Ahuntsic, the CHSLD La Salle, Alfred Desrochers in Snowden, La Pinière in Laval, and La Flèche in Shawinigan. At least 62 senior centres have at least one confirmed case of COVID on the island of Montreal alone. As far as seniors are concerned, the 2-meter rule will continue to be enforced for months to come.
On a donné un budget pour augmenter les ressources. On veut que les Cicélicius aident les résidences personnes âgées autonomes à embaucher du personnel. On veut aussi qu'ils leur rendent disponible une infirmière qui va voir à ce que toute la question de la prévention des infections soit respectée.
She also repeated that most health staff will be getting bonuses retroactive to March 13th. Quebec is starting to study the possibility of opening businesses up gradually, but Dr. Alyssia Rubertucci says this is being done slowly so as not to undo all the hard work so far.
We will make sure that people know what to do, what are exactly in their sector the recommendations that are going to be made, and if there is issues with the application of that, it's clear that the inspector of the SNES are going to be able to make sure, stop things or give penalties.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.